Hello, Autotech with Abrish family. Today we are discussing about single speed transmission mostly found on electric vehicles. Specifically, we are discussing single speed transmission that can be found on BYD cars. The working principle and the structure are mostly in different cars are almost similar. But for teaching purpose today we are using BYD car single speed transmissions. Later can start from its purpose and also how it is working and the way we can repairing it.
In electric car, the main power source is high voltage traction battery. This battery is stored electric energy delivered to the traction motor, which is responsible for driving the wheels. Inside the motor, electric energy is converted to mechanical energy, create a strong rotational force that can be turned motor shaft. However, this electromotor is rotated at very high speed, sometimes around 18,000 revolutions per minute. That speed is far too high for direct use by the vehicle wheels. To make this power usable for driving, we use single-speed transmission system. Its main purpose is to reduce motor high speed and increase torque, which provide force needed to move the car efficiently. This is all about the main purpose of single-speed transmission. Let's can discuss now how it is working. Small gear is attached to the motor output shaft. This small gear drives the large gear connected to differential. In some design, an idle gear is placed between them to maintain smooth power transfer in the proper direction of rotation. This small gear is attached to the motor, so it can be connected with idle gears. It can be drive idle gears. Then idle gear can be drive the big gears. So in different models there are different gear ratio. Sometimes in some model 7:1 ratio, in some model 10:1 ratio. It's based on different vehicle models. So when small gear can be drives the big gears, we can get high torque and low speed. So the output of the motor can be RPM around 80,000. It can be reduced to the 3,000, around 3,000 with help of single-speed transmission. To maintain the car performance, the single-speed transmission fluid must be changed when its temperature or condition goes beyond the specification limits. Cars that can be used single-speed transmission are, this one is BYD Tango single-speed transmission. Another car is Tesla model, mostly Tesla Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y are using single-speed reduction gears. And also Nissan Leaf also use single-speed reduction gears. Another one is Kona electric car also use single-speed reduction with integrated differentials. Another one is Kia EV6 also use single-speed transmissions. There are a lot of cars that can be used single-speed reduction gears.